So also we have to attach the frame to the desktop using these screws, 12 of these screws, E12, and looks like there's four in the middle actually on either side, and so that's four, and four on the side, so that's eight, and another four on that side, so that's 12 of these screws using a drill, power drill probably. So, and I see these pre-drilled holes over here. But before that, I'm going to actually remove these labels because they get really sticky and they're kind of not helpful anyway. So I'm going to take off these labels and I'll stick them on the manual instead, so I can refer to them in the future.